Good noon, my affectionate children, estimable guardians, parents, and all viewers. In the previous classes, we have already learnt about some question answer, standard 4, chapter 3. Then today topic is visit to Taj Mahal, standard 4, chapter 4. Taj Mahal is a very interesting place, historical place, situated in Agra. That means in Uttar Pradesh state. That means Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. That means Taj Mahal is famous for monument in the famous tomb in Uttar Pradesh. But Taj Mahal, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in her lovable wife Mumtaz. Mumtaz, after death of his wife Shah Jahan, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built a tomb Taj Mahal. It is situated in Agra in Uttar Pradesh, and there are different historical places in Agra cities, Uttar Pradesh, but Taj Mahal is the only one of the famous monuments tomb and in the Uttar Pradesh, and 7 wonders of the modern world. And there are different places that such as Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Panchamahal, Dal Bagh. The different places are there in the Uttar Pradesh, but one of them, that is the Taj Mahal, is one of them. Then visit to Taj Mahal is a very interesting story also. It is discussion about teacher and students such as you and me also. That means today's topic is very interesting, visit to Taj Mahal. Let's come to the topic, and next class I will discuss about Taj Mahal, and I will provide some questions and answers about this topic, visit to Taj Mahal. Let's come to the topic. This is a study tour, discussion about the teacher and the students. Let's come to topic, chapter 4, visit to Taj Mahal. First, teacher. Students, the school has decided to take you on a trip of 2 days. How many of you would like to go on the trip? Sandy. Sir, where are you going? Teacher, we will go to Agra. Mandy. Sir, what is there in the Agra? Teacher, Agra is a historical place. It is renowned for its monument, the Taj Mahal. Sandy. Yes, I know. Taj Mahal is made of white marble. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. What is the Taj Mahal made of? The Taj Mahal is made of white marble, and a great emperor built it. Great emperor means Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan had built it. Teacher. Yes, those who want to go for the excursion, please give me your names. We shall start on Saturday morning from the school. Saturday morning. Teacher. Students, have you all struck your identity cards on the shirts? Students. Yes, sir. Teacher. Good. Now I will call your names one by one, and you will enter the bus. In the bus. Teacher. We shall now soon start for Agra. We will have lots of fun on the way. If anyone wants anything, please tell me. Madam. Sir, please tell us something about Agra. Teacher. Agra is a city in Uttar Pradesh. Many Mughal emperors have ruled this city. Shah Jahan is the most famous of them. He loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal very much. After the death of his wife, Shah Jahan built a magnificent tomb in her memory. This was the Maqbara of famous Taj Mahal. Joseph. What is special about Taj Mahal, sir? Teacher. Taj Mahal is supposed to be one of the 7 modern wonders of the world. Rishi. Are there any other places in Agra or what things are? Teacher. Besides Taj Mahal, we can see Dal Bagh in Agra. Near Agra Fort is Fatehpur Sikri. Here we can see the famous Panch Mahal. Teacher. Students, we have reached the Taja. I will take you inside. Be careful. Don't disperse. Omi. Sir, but I don't see any tomb here. Rubika. Tomb is inside. Teacher. Yes. We will go this way to the tomb. Follow me, you all. See, this is the famous Taj Mahal. Jasip. Wow, it is splendid. Madam, it's grand. Omi. It is superb. Superb, that means splendid, magnificent, wonderful, excellent. Teacher. Yes, is not it brilliant? Students. Yes, sir. David. Sir, it has 2 pillars in front of it. Teacher. Yes, it has 2 pillars behind it as well. Omi. From here, we cannot see the other 2 pillars. This is Taj Mahal. See carefully. Rubika, we can see them when we reach nearer. Rekha, Rubika, you know a lot about the Taj? Rubika, yes, I have been to the Taj once before. Joseph, who brought you here before? Rubika, I came along with my parents. Madam, sir, how old is this monument? Teacher, this is hundreds of years old. Joseph, but this looks so new. Madam, sir, how is that its color did not fade at all in these years? Teacher, because the quality of the marble is excellent. Besides that, the government spends a lot on its maintenance. Rubika, sir, why do you call the Taj a monument? Teacher, because it observes a historical event. Now, this gate will take us inside the Taj Mahal. Madam, sir, it's so dark inside, I cannot see properly, sir. Joseph, I am scared. Teacher, don't be frightened. Frightened means fear, afraid. I am with you. Can you see the two gravestones here? David, yes, sir. What are these stones? Teacher, these are the gravestones of Shahjahan and Mumtaz Mahal. These are the gravestones of Shahjahan and Mumtaz Mahal. Rekha, but sir, you told us this is the Maqbara of Mumtaz Mahal and that Shahjahan had built it in her memory. Then, how is that Shahjahan grave here? Teacher, yes, but Shahjahan and Mumtaz's love was very famous. So after death of Shahjahan, his sons dug his grave near Mumtaz's grave. Rubika, yes, the real ones are just below it. Now let's go to the back side of the Taj. Teacher, look how splendid the shadow of Taj looks in the water of Yamuna. Rekha, sir, see the moon has risen. How beautiful. David, I feel the Taj is looking even more beautiful. Teacher, yes, the beauty of Taj is enhanced. Enhanced means increased in the moonlight. You are lucky it is full moon tonight. Madam, sir, I am not feeling like going from here. Teacher, but we will have to move now. I will give you some eatables in the bus. Then we will start for the bus. But Taj Mahal, Visit Taj Mahal has written by Geeta Chadha Yadav. It is written the author, and this is the story of Taj Mahal, Visit Taj Mahal. Read attentively, read mindfully. Historical, excursion, magnificent, dispersed, splendid. Historical, that means the past history, past ancient history, and ancient world, modern world, that means a historical place. Excursion, that means picnic spot. Magnificent, that means the new words. Splendid, excellent, and super. Dispersed, separates, segregates, different parts, etc. Splendid. Already discussed of splendid means magnificent and super, wonderful, fabulous, marvelous, etc. This is the story of Taj Mahal, and you read attentively, read mindfully, and explain better and read mindful thoroughly at your home. And if there is any doubt, you contact with me. And thank you so much. God bless you.